Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing today from a company called Planning with Manny. And Manny is the name of this little dog. Isn't that cute? It says squeeze the day. These envelopes only work 10% of the time, I think. Oh, it's so cute. I'm actually even maybe going to try to save this one because it's adorable. Maybe I can put it in one of my planners if I can get it off. We'll see. I'm not going to worry about it right now, but oh my goodness. She has a little coffee cup back here. They're just so cute. Her little dog is adorable. And you know that I love some critters, so. And she gave me a little note with the receipt that says, thanks Tammy, happy planning, Manny. So they are really cute. And her hobo kits, just so you know, are priced at $5. And her sticker sheets, it looks like they're about $3. So not too shabby. I like that a lot. That's cute. So it looks like I got a little die cut. It says squeeze the day. Must be her June or early July die cut kit. Oh, actually this says that the next one will be, I don't know, June 19th maybe, or July 9th. So I don't know what that means exactly, but this is her little sampler sheet. Look at, I don't know if you can see that his little face is so cute, sucking the lemon. And again, this is Planning with Manny, no G on the planning, and it's on Etsy, so I'll try to remember to link it below. And this is really cute. It's one of those foldable planner ones. Adorable. And I don't know if I ordered this or not. Let me try to double check real quick so I can tell you. I don't think I did. So no, this one is also a freebie. Squeeze the day. This sucks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sour day. Really cute. I love the vibrant colors too. They're really pretty yellow. And then here's this one. I thought this would be cute for spaghetti night or whatever, and it's kind of a take on Lady and the Tramp. It's not kind of a take on, it is a take on, but it is adorable. And then this one is Friends. Super cute with this Central Perk cup, Friends cup. This is Manny with donuts. This is, looks like he's fallen asleep. I don't know, that's pretty funny. He has his coffee cup in his hand, but he's fallen asleep. And then he's at the table and he's fallen asleep. I don't know what that one is. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Oh, I think it's called Break Time. That's pretty funny. And this one is Planner Boss. It's really cute. I think she has these in order, which is cute. And then Pink Cadillac. So that could be used for a road trip or whatever you might like. This one is Study Planner, but I'm just going to use it for reading or for working because I don't need to study anymore, really. This one is Dorothy Planner Stickers, and it says there's no place like home. I thought with the quarantine that is very appropriate and super cute. And then this next one makes me laugh too. I think it's from Up, and it's the Celebrate planner stickers. You can use it for birthdays or whatever, but you can see he is upside down hanging from those balloons. I think it's hilarious. And then this one is Casino Stickers. I don't go to the casino very often, but when I do, I thought it would be fun to have a little thing, a little sticker to mark it. Now, honestly, I haven't even gone in probably 10 years, but it's fun nonetheless, and maybe I'll go. Maybe the stickers will be the incentive to go. And some of you may know that my husband got a Harley earlier this year, and so this is pretty funny. It says Born to be Wild and has the little Manny on it. And same with these. These are motorcycle stickers. My dog is wanting out, so I will hurry this along. And then these are little elephants. He's like blowing out hearts. I thought that was really cute. Ellie, this is Happy Mail. And I got that one in the pink and the gray. I wasn't sure which one I'd like better, so I thought I'd get it in both. And then I'm probably going to share these with my daughter. These are smaller, the gray ones. And then this one is Big Plans. So this is just a planner video, or a planner sticker. And this one is Planning with Manny, and it's knitting. Adorable. And then it looks like these might be my kits. Oh, and then she gave me another dashboard, and it says kindness. Not another, but a freebie. Another freebie. I mean, that's quite a bit. Now, I know I did spend a little bit, but yeah, cute. So this one is a Hobonichi kit, and it is, I think it's called Dunkin', and it's Dunkin' Donuts. Isn't that awesome? So Tracy and I tend to go to Dunkin' or Starbucks often. She'll just do a run sometimes and run and get it for us, and we love their iced coffees or their hot coffees or whatever we're feeling. And hell, we love the donuts sometimes too, but it's super cute. So whatever sprinkles your donut, it says. So I got this for both of us. I got a kit for me and a kit for Tracy. And then this one is really cute too. It's a pizza kit. So this is fun, and I love pepperoni and mushrooms, and that seems to be what's on here, except for there's green peppers too, which I also like, but if I'm picking a pizza, it's usually just pepperoni and mushroom, but I love it. So that is really cute. These are making me smile just looking at them. This one is after the Griswolds' Christmas Vacation, which is my favorite Christmas movie, and it says Manny's Christmas Vacation. Here's the tree on the car. Here's the he's emptying his RV, Uncle or Cousin Eddie. There it is again, Merry and Bright, it says. It's just really cute. I love it. And this one is a snow globe one, which is again adorable. The snow boots, I like the colors. It's very cute. And this one was kind of fun. It's kind of the hippie vibe, and this says good vibes, and it's just tie-dyed, and it's just kind of fun. I don't really know if I'll use it. I like some of them, but some of them I'm like, so I don't know. We'll see if I use this or not. I think that Tracy will love it, but we'll see. And then this is the Friends one. So that's cute. It has the Central Perk and all of that, just like the functional stickers, and I got one of those for Tracy too. Friends is one of her favorite things ever. And then this is more like a Starbucks one. Oh, it is. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. And it looks like I only got one of those. And then this one says one in a melon, and it's like a watermelon kit. Very cute. Oh, and this says be fearless in the pursuit of your dreams, and it has like a Snoopy. So I guess that they give you a couple of these with some of the different kits that you order, or maybe I ordered it with the kit. Honestly, I'm not even sure, but it doesn't matter. Look how cute this is. So this one reminded me of Snoopy, and there was a cartoon that had a guy who laughed like, oh gosh, how did he laugh? Oh gosh, I think it was I mean, I don't know. It was a real funny laugh, and I don't remember his name, but I know he was a cartoon when I was a kid, and I liked him, and this is what reminded me of him. But then this is Snoopy for sure, and it says, if I can dream it, I can do it. And there's Snoopy as the Red Baron. Enjoy the journey. It's just cute, so I got that one too. So that is everything I got from the Manny store. But Planning with Manny, I will again link it. It's on Etsy. And I hope that you try it. And if you do, please tell her that TT.Scraps sent you. I'd love to have her know that she's getting some traffic from some of her sales. So thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.